Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tips. In this new video, I'm going to explain you some of the best method to use Google Assistant. Like Siri of Apple and Cortana of Microsoft, Google has its own voice controlled assistant.
Okay Google, set an alarm at 5:30 a.m. every day.
Right, your alarm set every day at 5:30.
Okay Google, call HSBC customer service.
Calling HSBC customer service mobile.
How did I do that? Meet your Google Assistant, now available on eligible Android.
Remember my passport is in the cupboard.
Okay, I'll remember that.
What can you do for me?
I can help you with lots of things. For example, you can say things like, tell me sports news, or what's the weather? Swipe to see more options.
Google, where is my passport?
You told me that your passport is in the cupboard.
Okay Google, play the technology news.
Here's the latest technology news.
Google Assistant getting Hindi support by 2018 and multilingual mode also announced. Xiaomi Microsoft join hands to develop AI-powered smartphone speakers. Samsung Galaxy S9 Galaxy S9 Plus price leak suggests Euro 1000 price tag. Apple now allows developers to add a
What is the time right now?
It's 8:20.
Time right now in India.
The time in India is 9:50 a.m.
Hey Google, who is the Prime Minister of Canada?
Justin Trudeau is the Prime Minister of Canada.
Hey Google, what is the weather outside?
Right now in Abu Dhabi it's 23 and mostly sunny. Today it'll rain with a forecast high of 25 and a low of 20.
Now let's see how to enable Google Assistant on your Android mobile phone. Check for Google icon on your phone, open that and click on this three and click on settings. Click on voice match and select the first option, say OK Google anytime. You might have to enter your device password. Click on the select option and now click on retrain voice model. In your case it will be train your voice model. Since I have already trained my voice, it is asking me to retrain it. There is more you can do with Google Assistant. We'll see it in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you can like this video and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon.